Hi guys, in today's video we're visiting the safari. As you can see in front of us there is a giraffe. These giraffes are their native land is Africa. Did you know they can weigh up to 3,000 pounds? And the tallest land mammal in the world, at least 19 feet tall. They can drink 10 gallons of water at one time. That's a lot of water for me. Now we're looking at the kangaroos. This is a wallaby kangaroo. Did you know there is 4 species of kangaroos? These are African crowned cranes. These cranes are the only species of cranes that will roost in the trees. Communication between them includes very loud noise. You can't even imagine how loud. Time for lemurs. They are primates that are native to the African island of Madagascar. They are in danger. These little birds are called budgies. Their native homeland is Australia. This beautiful creature is called gibbons. Their native land is Asia. Their weight is 10 to 30 pounds. And their lifespan is 25 years. Gibbons are primates native to Asia and have no tails, making them a member of ape family. They have long arms and strong legs and hands, which allows them to move easily through dense forests at a speed up to 35 miles per hour. That is fast. This is called black and white lemurs. They are in critical danger for deforestation in Madagascar.